Got a minute to talk about climate change. Climate change. It's a big bad problem that scars everyone on this earth. It raises up the temperature and sea levels, thus threatening people on the coast and people in general in, near the equator. Hi, I'm Renis, and today we're talking about climate change. Climate change is bad because it causes the sea level to rise and the temperatures to rise as well. Thus, it's hot. Another thing is CO2 emissions that also causes the rise of heat. That's why it's getting hot. There's a lot of CO2 emissions coming from burning fossil fuels and cows from finishing their food and doing the no-no. One of the ways to cut CO2 emissions is to go to electrical. Because it's cheaper and doesn't use a lot of CO2. Thus, using less fossil fuels and still having energy. But most people don't want to because electric cars are kind of expensive and have not been, used enough for now, so we don't know if they're good. And cheap used fossil fuel cars are cheap. But one of the ways to compromise is bike. It's just facts. One of the ways to cut, fossil fuel usage is to use wind turbines. Another way is to use solar panels, which in the film is shown that in the UK there's a first deep water solar panel park near London. People really don't want to use solar panels or wind turbines. That's because they don't trust them. And those people are mostly politicians, people higher ups, unlike peasants like us, right? And they trust the scientists in the future that they'll make some kind of, air filters that take the CO2 emissions, lessen the amount of the CO2 emission. But looking at the time, we have 20 years, I really doubt that. As a fact, 80% of the energy we use is fossil fuel, and only 20% is electrical. But we need to switch that around to, have more time to live on this planet.
Save the planet!
Thank you for watching. My name is Renis. You watched me do my English homework. And see you next time when I have some more homework to do.
Ну куш, блядь. Иди стрей. То есть масту кач пиздишь.
Save the planet!
Да, you wish.